Hello, my name is Adam Shipley.
My name is Wendy Harris.
My name's Al Harris.
And I am Tisha Linton Rose.
We're here at the Scale Roadshow by ASBA.
Being a business owner in the West Valley is great. You're a part of a community that really cares about you.
And we are truly the life of the economy because we're invested in it personally. So my takeaway is there's hope, there's opportunity, there's life.
What's it like being a business owner in the West Valley? It's great. I mean, the West Valley is one of the most explosive areas, not only in Phoenix, but probably in the country right now. We've lived here the last 5 years and we've seen it just grow like crazy. As the valley continues to expand, I think it's great for all small businesses.
We have gotten a lot of great business advice. We've gotten to talk to professionals. We've just gotten a lot of great resources and people to connect with. We've been able to network.
We're really just a big family that supports each other throughout business needs, personal needs, and everything in between.
So come on and join us.